Adding payment methods in Kucoin is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, access the payment settings. Next, log in to your Kucoin account. Click on the Buy Crypto tab in the top navigation bar. Select Fiat account from the drop-down menu. Then, click on Payment Settings in the left-hand sidebar. After that, choose your payment method. Kucoin currently supports the following payment methods: bank card, Visa, MasterCard, or UnionPay. P2P trading, buy crypto directly from other users. Third-party payment gateways, Banxa, Simplex, Paymere, and others. Availability varies by region. SEPA, which is for Europe. For Euro deposits, fast buy, purchase crypto directly with Visa or MasterCard. Next, click on Add Bank Card under the Bank Card section. Enter your card details, like card number, expiration date, CVC or CV code, billing address. Then, click Confirm to add the card. Verify your identity. Kucoin requires KYC verification for most payment methods to ensure compliance and security. Complete the KYC process by providing your personal information and a valid ID. Follow specific instructions for other methods. P2P trading. Choose a seller, agree on terms, and make the payment through the agreed-upon method. Third-party gateways. Select the gateway, follow their instructions to link your account, and make payment. SEPA. Provide your IBAN and confirm the deposit. Fast buy. Enter the amount and select your card to proceed with payment.